Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Azel from Electromechanical Engineering. In this video, I'm going to explain about a part of soldering iron. Soldering iron is usually used to melt a solder. Solder is the substance that melts and forms the bond between the two soldered components. It is a thin wire of made of one of several thin alloys. Let's go to the part of soldering iron. So this is the soldering iron, and the first part is handle. So soldering irons differ in size, power, and features, but most have the same basic parts, include the handle, heating element, and the tip. Handles vary in size and materials depending mainly on how hot the iron gets. The handle must insulate the operator from heat so he can work comfortably. And the second part of soldering iron is heating element. The heating element, usually rated in watts, must heat the tip sufficiently to melt the solder. A higher wattage heating element heats a larger tip. So if the wattage is bigger, so the heads can be more hot, like that. And the third part is the tip. The soldering iron tip comes in many sizes and shapes too, from a pin point for precision soldering to a wider tip for a larger wires. The tip must be appropriate for your soldering job. This is the tip, this is the heading element, and this is the handle. So that's all the part of soldering iron. Thank you for watching and see you next time.